Cistron. It is a modern term for gene. This term was coined by Benz. Cistron is structural and functional unit of gene and has the codes for synthesis of a polypeptide. Polypeptide is otherwise called protein. Types of cistrons. Cistrons are classified into two types. One is monocistronic, other one is polycistronic. Monocistronic cistron present only in eukaryotic organism. Polycistronic cistron present in prokaryotic organism. In prokaryotic gene, we can see polycistronic cistron. Poly meaning many, they code for more than one polypeptide. So we are saying polycistronic. In eukaryotic gene, we can see monocistronic. Mono meaning single. They code for a single polypeptide. Genes are split into introns and exons in eukaryotic organism. Introns are non-coding or non-expressed sequence. They do not involve in the process of protein synthesis. Exon is coding or expressed sequence. They involve the process of protein synthesis.